Deep in the forests of Asia, the trees are armed. Every leaf that grows here carries a warning written in chemistry. Bitter tannins, sharp alkaloids, and toxins strong enough to shut down the liver of almost any mammal that dares to eat too much. For most animals, this canopy is a minefield. One species treats it as an open buffet. Meet the langur, a monkey that didn't just learn to tolerate poison, it evolved a second stomach to defeat it. Plants cannot run from predators, so they fight back with chemistry. Young leaves are packed with tannins that bind proteins and block digestion. Older leaves carry alkaloids and cyanogenic compounds, the same class of toxins found in some of the world's deadliest plants. For a typical mammal, a diet built entirely on mature forest leaves would mean slow starvation, liver damage, or worse. Most primates avoid this food source entirely, sticking to fruit, insects, or seeds. But fruit is seasonal, and competition is fierce. Somewhere in their evolutionary past, one group of monkeys took the harder path and found a way to make poison edible. Inside the langur's body lies its greatest adaptation. Not sharp teeth, not claws, but a stomach unlike almost any other primate on Earth. Most monkeys have a simple, single-chambered stomach, built for quick digestion of soft food. Langurs evolved something closer to what you'd find in a cow. A large, sacculated, multi-chambered stomach divided into fermentation pouches. Food entering this stomach doesn't just get digested, it gets processed slowly, chamber by chamber, giving time for toxins to break down before they ever reach the bloodstream. But the stomach alone isn't enough. Inside these fermentation chambers live trillions of specialized bacteria, microscopic allies that langurs inherited and cultivated over millions of years. These microbes break down cellulose that no primate could digest alone. And more importantly, they neutralize tannins and alkaloids before they can cause harm. It's a partnership written into the langur's biology. The animal provides shelter and food, the bacteria provide detoxification. Without this microbial army, the langur's leaf-eating lifestyle simply wouldn't exist. This adaptation didn't evolve once. It evolved across an entire family of leaf-eating monkeys, known scientifically as colobines. In India and Nepal, the Hanuman langur moves confidently through temple grounds and forests alike, its pale fur and dark face instantly recognizable. In the mountains of Vietnam and Laos, the red-shanked Douc langur wears a coat so vivid and multicolored that early explorers called it the most beautiful primate in the world. And along the rivers of Borneo, the Proboscis monkey, a close cousin with the same specialized stomach, carries an enormous nose and an equally enormous appetite for toxic mangrove leaves. Different faces, different forests, the same evolutionary solution. Even with a specialized stomach, langurs aren't reckless eaters. They're selective, favoring young, tender leaves over tough, mature ones, and rotating between tree species to avoid overloading on any single toxin. Feeding happens in slow, deliberate bouts, followed by long rest periods where digestion and fermentation can take place undisturbed. This patience is a survival strategy in itself. In a forest where food is abundant but dangerous, langurs thrive not by fighting the poison, but by working with time, chemistry, and a gut full of allies. The langur story is a reminder that evolution doesn't always reward speed, strength, or size. Sometimes it rewards patience, chemistry,
and partnership. By turning a forest's greatest weapon into an unlimited food source, Langurs secured a niche almost no other primate could touch, and in doing so, proved that survival often belongs not to the strongest, but to the most specialized.